Hey guys, welcome to Give Naturals and DIY, and I hope you are doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an overnight hair growth spray so you can grow your hair thick, full, and of course retain length. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you not miss any step. The ingredients that we're going to use for this recipe is aloe vera and hibiscus flower. So let's get started. Make sure that your aloe vera is clean by washing and drying it. Cut your aloe vera into smaller sizes so that it can be easy for you to get the gel out. I actually got this aloe vera from my garden. I planted them myself. So if you want to learn how to plant aloe vera by yourself, I'll leave the link in the description box. Everything that comes out of the ground is a potential hair product. Feel free to explore. You can use aloe vera as a detangler. You can also use aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner. Aloe vera has so many benefits because it contains a lot of minerals that helps to strengthen your hair. Aloe vera helps in hair growth. It controls greasy hair. It helps an itchy scalp. So aloe vera is very good for the hair. Some people are allergic to aloe vera. So before you make use of this aloe vera, first do a patch test to be sure that it doesn't react to your skin. Hibiscus flower stimulates hair growth, conditions hair, prevents baldness, it treats dandruffs, it also prevents premature growing of hair. If you want to learn how to make hibiscus hair spray or hibiscus hair oil, I'll leave the link in the description box. If you're new to my channel, feel free to join my family by clicking that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Please come back for more because I'll be uploading new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you in my next one. Bye.